Consume this before bed and you will eliminate a lot of fat. I did not know it either. Really not exaggerating, once you consume this, the process of metabolism is important for our body to consume something that promotes fat burning. While it is true that it is much more than proven that consuming this shake accelerates the body's metabolism, it is of the utmost importance that you do not make copious dinners. That is to say that you do not give foods with much fat or much energetic value, since the milkshake is the one in charge to make work the digestive system during the night. Then the preparation of this recipe. Ingredients: ½ liter of natural water, 1 bunch of parsley leaves, 1 small spoonful of honey or ginger, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 sprig of cinnamon or a small spoonful of cinnamon powder. Elaboration and use. 1. To make this simple shake, you have to clean all the ingredients and cut them into pieces. Then you have to put them in a blender until all the ingredients are homogeneously mixed. 2. Prepare this drink when you go to sleep. It is important to drink it as soon as you finish it, so that it does not lose all its nutritional values. 3. One very important fact that you need to know is that this drink should be regular so that it promotes fat burning and get good results. It is advisable to only dine this drink at night before going